Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to stop Temu notifications on iPhone. So if you want to stop Temu notifications on your iPhone, you have two easy options. So option one, turn off Temu notifications in iPhone settings. So let's go to settings first. Then from here, scroll down and tap notifications. Now scroll down and select Temu. So look for Temu and open it. So if allow notifications is turned on, what you can do is to toggle it off, just like so. So this completely blocks demo alerts, sounds, badges, and lock screen notifications. Now, option two is to disable notifications inside the Temu app. So go ahead and open Temu. Now, at the bottom center, click on You. At the top right, click on Settings besides the headphone icon. Once you're on Settings, select Notifications. Then from here, you can turn off promotional notifications, push notifications, or any categories you want. So to disable a category, what you can do is tap on Edit, the orange one. Now what you can do is to toggle off push. So click on that to toggle it off. And now that's disabled. So let's say, for example, order updates. So just click on Edit. And if it is turned on, just toggle it off just like so, and that's it. Now that should solve your problem. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.